Hey guys, MD95TSI here, and if I'm not mistaken, I have a package from Oliver. And if you guys don't know who Oliver is, then you did not visit the show. Not this past week, but the week before. Show episode number 8. He gave a lot of stuff away on that show. Man, you are such the chit, brother. He knows what I mean by that. That's something we do. But awesome, man. So let's go ahead and get in here. I kind of want to keep Oliver's name or address closed off, which I don't think no one wants to mess with him. No way. He's pretty straight. So you'd have your hands full messing with old Oliver. Let me just say that. But anyway, let's see what he sent me here. Really cool guy. I sent him some prints, and then I know there's a VTX in here because he said if I sent him the print, he would send me a VTX. He had a bunch of them. Oliver picks parts out really cheap. Really cheap. So let's see what we got in here from Oliver. Dronography. We got some muscles, some pillows. Oh, look at this guy. He put some iPhone stuff in here. This guy, man. Smart wristband. Okay. Oh, wow, that's better than a smart wristband for me. I was like, wristband, okay, cool with that. Get a watch to rock. Shoot. Man, you are awesome, brother. Holy cow, look at this, guys. Who can't ever use batteries? Wow. Thank you so much, brother. He said he's getting out all the toys and he don't have much to fly with them no more, so yeah, we know the little UDI batteries. Recognize them? Man, thank you. Awesome. That's awesome, brother. Wow. A box of batteries, bro. You can't go wrong with that. I'm sorry. Look, smart wristband. I'd have been cool with the wristband too, bro. But that's batteries, man. We all know what droning. It's like cars, man. It's like you got a dirt bike and four-wheeler. What do you need? Gas. Oh, cool. Looks like we have a camera mount here. Oh, that's pretty sick. That thing locks and does all kind of different ways. Put it on that way or off to the swivel. Oh, wow, dude. That's sick. You the man. You the man. This is awesome, guys. Yeah, see, guys, you do that. You tighten it down whichever way you want to do it, and then you... okay, no, this swivels around like this, so it can either be sideways, straight up, or that way. Oh, wow, dude, that's sick. That's really nice. I like that. Yes, indeedy. Thank you, thank you. Always down for the camera mounts. Always down for the camera mounts. Oh, right, check this out. This is for our iPhone 8. Wow. That's pretty sick, man. I like that. Miss Crystal has an iPhone 8 to be exact. He texted me and wanted to know what kind of iPhones and stuff we had because check him out on eBay. I'm sorry I don't know his name, but I will get a link. Oh, dude, that is sick. That's really nice, man. That's really nice feeling all that, guys. Sweet. I mean, we run the Otter boxes, but look, there's nothing wrong with having another case laying around for when you just want to switch it up at times. Really appreciate that, Oliver. Man, you're awesome, brother. It's good to have people in our community like this, guys. You guys know how I am, so it's good that when you run across someone that's just as nice and down to earth as I am and give stuff away like that, because everyone tries to get a buck for everything. And here's another one for an iPhone 7 Neo Hybrid. Cool. So that's going to be one of them, I think it's got the little pull tab. That's pretty cool. Oh, sick. It's just like the little case for it. Alright. It says iPhone 7, but that looks close to the 6 to me. Shoot, that's nice. Style, man. Style. That's what that's about. Man, he's the bomb, dude. This guy. Okay. This one is for a iPhone, I'm not sure. Oh, wait, here we go. I'm wanting to say maybe the 10, maybe the way it looks like it's got that thing there. This paper need to be removed. Awesome, that's like a clear case, high quality, precision cutout. Oh, that is pretty cool. Awesome, 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 brother. Look like I've been dealing with cell phones here. Oh, now this one's nice. I like this iPhone 7. That's really cool looking. That is really, really cool. That's in a wrapper. I'm going to wrap in it just in case I can't use it. Because you guys know if I can't use it, we will find somebody that can use them. That's what Oliver will want me to do. He wouldn't want me to leave this thing sitting around doing nothing with it. This is for JAD. That's cool looking. That's like a wallet type thing. Your phone goes in and closes it in a wallet. That's sick, man. This guy, look at this. It just keeps going, guys. Wow, there's like 2 cases and one on this one. Can't beat that 6S. That's for the iPhone 6. Sweet, I happen to have the iPhone 6. Uh-oh. And there's the X-Door Defense Shield. iPhone 7. Oh, check that out. Opens up. Oh, check that out. That's sick. That's a cool looking case there. Man, these cases are intriguing. Alright, that's not wide in there. Okay. Oh, look at what we have here. Wireless transmitter. 5.8 40 channel. VTX. What I was telling you guys. Look at this guy. He done tossed 2 of them in there. Wow. Man, you are awesome, brother. Wow. And the antennas and everything. You are awesome. Because look, I could put one on my Wacera Runner 250 and one on my build that I'm going to build. Wow, Oliver. Thank you, bro. You're a sick man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. That's one good fella right there. That's right. It says made in China, but we know everything we do is made in China. We got here. Looks like we have a GoPro 3 case. Really nice. I think it's a well, yeah, it looks like GoPro. Pop this latch up first, and then that latch. There you go. Sweet, 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 sweet. Actually, looks like my Vivitar might fit in there to have. Cool. Waterproof case. You can never go wrong with that. Uh-oh. Some dowel props. These are 30, 45. Sweet. You know, you guys already know what I'm going to put them on, I think. I'm going to try these on the Bugs 3 Mini. I most certainly am. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Alright, looks like we have some like cables here. Cool, that's a cool looking cable. So you can peel it apart and then do like because the flash something like the CSG 11, you have to do that with the pins and all that. That's cool, man. That's really, really cool. I already have it for when I go to do it. Wow, look at this case here. This is a Subline wear. It is for a GoPro Hero 3. He said it was the shark cage. Oh, really nice, really heavy. You don't want to put this guy on your hat. Well, that's got a screw-off lens there. That's pretty cool. Okay, I think I see what happens. That stays on and you pinch that off. Okay. Man, check that out. That is sick. It's got a little mount so you can mount it however. What's that for there? Is that another? Oh, okay. I get what that's for. That's so you put it different cameras in there and then you can put it in there and just tighten that down. And that locks it down. There's like a little pad so you don't go against your camera with the screw. And the GoPro's here, so we can't put it on right now. That's sweet. You guys, you hear that? That's thick. Wow, thank you, Oliver. Man, y'all count how many times I see Oliver up in here. You have to say it, man. This is crazy. This is the shit. And you guys already know, you see what's in this box, right? Yeah, check it out. The Eachine EO11. Yep. And it looks like it's the red one. The Dark Knight one, I think that they're calling it. Man, wow, that is cool. That is so cool. The Block Drone, as they're calling it. Sick, sick, sick. You guys already seen unboxings of these, so check that out. That is nice. Yeah, you can feel the difference in that. Okay, and I got some batteries coming for this guy. They should be here probably tomorrow. This is a 7mm quad. It can be flashed for acro and everything else. Oliver, awesome brother. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Because my H36 is okay, but once you get the hang of it, of whooping around and all that, you're pretty much past the H36. And on this guy, what makes it cool is because it comes with a little Lego guy. You know, you put him on top. But I'll keep this little guy in all of his little fancy glory, because you know why? I'll pop off this and then pop off this canopy, right? And that's all I'm looking for. So you can see, if I pop this off, I'll leave that in there. You can see how much beefier like the antenna is here, and I mean, it's just unreal. Like, you can see how wider the board's much bigger. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. Thank you so much, Oliver. I'm gonna have a ripping time with that bad boy. And we're gonna do it up. So yes, yes, yes. Awesome, awesome, awesome.